So if you're an Adobe Premiere Pro user and you're thinking about switching to Davinci from Adobe, then this is the right place for you. And in this course, I'm going to show you why more and more creators are looking to switch from Adobe to Davinci, especially because Davinci is a powerful editing tool that actually is little to no cost. First things first, DaVinci Resolve is known for its powerful, incredible color grading capabilities, and that's probably one of the main reasons why you even here. So it's been used for a lot of Hollywood films, a lot of TV shows, even a lot of big YouTube creators are using it. And if you struggle with getting that perfect look or that professional look that you really want in Premiere, like I did, then if you try DaVinci's color grading tools, it will blow your mind away because you get complete control over the color correction, over the color grading, and the finishing. So if you're looking for a polished look, then DaVinci Resolve is a perfect software to do. So one of the major advantages that DaVinci have over Adobe is that the price. It is completely free. You can download the software for free and you can access it and you can edit it and you can color grade it all for free. And it has some of the same tools as the pro version of DaVinci. And I have the pro version only because I want this specific look that I need. It's just like one small little tool, but you don't need it. The free version is more than enough capabilities of getting the job done. So one of the biggest advantages that DaVinci have over Adobe is the integrated workflow. And what I mean by that is that everything is under one software. Your color grading is under one software, your visual effects is under one software, your audio editing, motion graphics, everything is under one software. So unlike Adobe, where you have to switch from Adobe Premiere to Adobe After Effects to Audition, and it can be time consuming, it can be a little like tedious and annoying trying to figure out, and sometimes I just want to step back and just like, okay, I'm done for right now. But whatever you need in post-production is literally right there, and it's super smooth, super easy. So the professional features in Adobe is nothing compared to the professional features in DaVinci. So whether you're doing a YouTube video, Instagram reel, TikTok reel, whatever you're doing, or even a high-end project like commercials or scenes, whatever you're doing, movies, it's so easy and it's so powerful. So whether if you're a colorist, whether you're a simple content creator or a sound designer, the professional tools in there can really help you out and make everything so easy for you. So you have the high-end audio in the Fairlight, you have visual effects in Fusion, and you have real-time scopes. Just know it is really powerful and it's really amazing. So if you're working with a team, DaVinci makes working with a team super easy and super smooth. Multiple editors can work on the project that you're working on simultaneously without any headaches. And you won't need any third-party system. You won't need any external file management system. You won't need anything because everything is built into the software. And the best part is Blackmagic design is always evolving, so you're always going to get improvements. You're always going to get new features. So that's one of the best parts about it. So if you're tired of dealing with subscription fees, bouncing around softwares, or you just want to step up your color grading game, then DaVinci Resolve is definitely worth considering because it's powerful, it's professional, and it's easy accessible. And in this course, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about making the switch as smooth as possible. So let's get ready and let's get started.